अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये तालिब इल्म भी अरबी अव्वल इसने मुकम्मल की है और 6ठी क्लास मुकम्मल की है। आइंदा साल इंशाअल्लाह ये 7वीं क्लास में होगा और साथ ही अरबी दोम पढ़ेगा।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most powerful, the omnipotent, the all-knowing, the all-seeing. After that, I would like to send thousands of salutations upon Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and all his family members and all his companions. Respected guests, honorable scholars, and my dear friends, today I want to speak about the importance of the English language from an Islamic point of view. In today's world, English has become a global language. It connects people from different countries, cultures and backgrounds. As Muslims, it is important for us to learn English so that we can share the message of Islam with the world in a better way. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Utlubul ilma min al-mahdi ila al-lahad." Seek knowledge from the cradle to the grave. On the other hand, talabul ilmi fariidatun ala kulli Muslim. Seeking knowledge is an obligation for every Muslim male and female. Learning English is a part of gaining knowledge. When we understand English, we can read Islamic books, listen to scholars, and understand global discussions about Islam more clearly. English also helps us to present the beauty of Islam to non-Muslims. Many people around the world speak English, so when we explain our religion in English, they can understand its true meaning. Through English, we can remove false ideas about Islam and spread peace, kindness and truth, just as Islam teaches us. Moreover, English is very useful in education, business and technology. As Muslims, we should be skilled and strong in every field so we can serve our community and our ummah. Learning English gives us a key to success and helps us stand with confidence in the modern world. In the end, my dear friends, we should remember that learning English is not just about speaking or writing, but about using it for good purpose to spread Islam, gain knowledge and help humanity. May Allah give us wisdom, ease our learning and make us people who use knowledge for good. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाह। माशाअल्लाह बहुत खूब, बहुत अच्छे अंदाज में माशाअल्लाह इसने अंग्रेज़ी में तकरीर पेश की है।